Hello guys, this is Denise and welcome to my tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate your Mailerlite to your Brizy builder in WordPress. There are actually two ways to do that. If you want to use the Brizy free in WordPress, all you have to do is just install the plugin. And the second one is if you use the Brizy Pro, and that's the easiest way to do it, because the first one, if you use the free and then install the plugin, and they have a really basic design, so you need to modify the CSS. Well, you can do that, but all you have to do is just go to the customize page, and there you can insert or paste your CSS. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So here it is. This is the Mailerlite. What is a Mailerlite? Mailerlite is an email marketing automation platform. You can try the premium features, which is gonna be 14 days. And what's really nice with this one is that for your free account, you can have maximum of 1,000 subscribers. So that's like 1,000, 12,000, okay, emails per month. And which is so good if you just started your business or whatever that activity. You can begin by signing up with the free account, and then later, as you progress, you can get the unlimited features here, so you can check the price in their page. So I have a video that's going to be talking about the Mailerlite, and I have a video showing you how to integrate Mailerlite in your Brizy free WordPress using the Mailerlite plugin, which I'm going to show you in that video, and the link of that video is going to be in the description box below, so you can check that out. So that's it. Let's move along. Okay, so now you are in my dashboard. All I have to do is just open the edit with Brizy. I'm going to open my contact page, so just click the button. This is the easiest way, using the Brizy Pro builder and Mailerlite. There are other email marketing platform here. MailChimp is very famous. As you can see, they want you to insert your API key. So where can you find the API key? Go to your Mailerlite account in your dashboard, and in this area here, on the right top where you can see your name, just go to the integrations, and then the developer API, click the use button and copy the API key. Copy that and then paste it and connect. So as you can see, here's an email address, so you can click choose which account. So I only have one account, so that's for my website. I choose that account. Okay, in this page you are asked to select the list. So in my list I only have one group, so this is my group, which is Brizy Pro discount. So you can also add a new list. Maybe you can perhaps you can put like you can type maybe subscribers. Okay, we can try that. Create, or you can also do that in your Mailerlite account, where you can just add the group here. Okay, as you can see, I have already added the subscribers. That's because I made it from WordPress. Okay, so but you can also add it, like I said, here. There you can see the create group. So that's it. And I want to choose the Brizy Pro discount. Okay, in this area here, Just put your full name and then your email address here, obviously email, name of the organization, company, and your message. And let's proceed. Continue. That's it. You have successfully connected the form with Mailerlite. That's done. Just to be sure, I want to update that. And I want to update the page. Okay. Let's test the form. Write your name, email address. Okay. Organization message. Hello there. This is a test. And send my message. So your email was sent successfully. Now let's check our Mailerlite account. Let's go to subscribers. And here it is. This is your first lead. Okay, so you got the email address of your prospect client. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you like the video and it helps you. Please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for your time and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!